Welcome to PC Error Detective. In this video, we'll show you how to fix game voice chat and mic not working in R.E.P.O. If your mic isn't working while playing, don't worry, we'll walk you through the fix step by step. Click on the Start menu and type Control Panel in the search bar. This tool lets you access essential Windows settings for sound, hardware, and more. Now open the Control Panel from the results. Make sure it opens in the classic view for easier navigation. Click on Hardware and Sound. This section lets you manage audio devices and sound settings on your PC. Next, click on Sound. This opens a window where you can see all the playback and recording devices connected to your system. Go to the Recording tab at the top of the window. This tab shows all the microphones available on your computer. Now, select your active microphone from the list. Be sure to choose the one you're using for your game or headset. Finally, click on Set Default. This ensures your selected mic is used as the primary recording device in all apps, including R.E.P.O. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more easy tech fixes and tutorials.